Hey, what's up guys? Dalam video ini saya akan share bagaimana menginstall printer, printer HP LaserJet Pro M15W, install printer dan print melalui menggunakan kabel USB. Itu pertama. Dan kedua, saya akan um, share juga bagaimana install printer tetapi print secara wirelessly. So wirelessly tanpa menggunakan kabel USB. Let's go.
Setelah connect power cable USB kabel kepada printer tersebut, dan sekarang kita akan mencari driver untuk printer tersebut supaya printer itu dapat berkomunikasi dengan laptop untuk kerja print dan sebagainya. Baik. So kamu boleh open your web browser, sama ada kamu boleh guna Google Chrome ataupun Firefox. Saya akan menggunakan web browser Firefox. And then kita akan search for the driver. So search model printer tersebut, HP LaserJet Pro. HP M15W. And then search. Kamu akan coba mencari di sini support.hp.com. Click this one. Cookies. Multi-status. And then click full software solution. Ini klik download. Klik save file. So I think I already downloaded because saya nampak ni ada satu copy. So file ini lebih kurang 109 MB. Anda perlukan connection yang baik untuk mendownload driver ini. Look for the file. di sini. So kita akan run this software ataupun driver printer tersebut. Extracting maksud dia akan extract software tersebut supaya kita boleh run the software. So remove packaging and install cartridge. So we already do that. So just click continue. Let's get started by installing the necessary printer software and connect to the printer. Continue. I've reviewed accept the internet agreement setting. Tick box. Checkbox. Yes. Next. Okay, so the software is installing itself. Installing one of two. Okay, so automatic setup ataupun manual setup. We just select automatic setup. I want the software to detect the device and connect to my computer. Okay, have you already connected the device to your wireless network? If yes, select the following checkbox and click next. So this one cancel. So wireless, make a wireless connect to the device. So I don't want this yet. Tapi saya akan select ini. So saya mau connect directly to the printer dulu. Okay, connect the USB cable. So sekarang make sure the device power on. Open the cover the USB port back of the device. Just connect the square end of the cable. So continuation without connecting now. I will connect the device later. So ini kita akan connect kabel USB kabel dari printer, connect ke laptop. Wi-Fi dari printing. So this one we just click next. Okay, this one. How will you probably use this device? Okay, require, can I see? Okay, just click in home for personal use. Postal, anything. Just click next. Setup complete. Congratulations, you have finished device setup. Okay. And go to online form, manage your device. Okay. Are you sure you want to skip activation? Yes, skip. Okay, now we try to print test. Okay, kita akan cari device and printer. And then select this one, right click, printer properties. So we want to test print. So when I click print test, so it will fill up on here. So successful printing using USB cable.